Guys, we are just practicing. This is kind of my testing area. I'm hoping this area is good. I had to go get 2 lamps so you could see what I was doing. Now, when I filmed the tutorial, I did it on the other side of the bed. This is really all I got right now. But it'll get better. It'll get better. And fingers crossed, guys. I'm so hoping to get that space of my own. I'm so ready. So I'm trying to move forward. I'm trying to do videos. I've got one video in mind, and it is really funny. I thought of it last night, and I was like, oh my god, I gotta do this video. All the negative stuff that is going on around me and has happened to me. I've never been that type of person. I've always been really positive. And by the way, some of this is probably going to go over some of the tutorials. So if I'm not talking about the products or whatever, this is basically just a test video, and I did do an eye look for you guys. I didn't really want to do the get ready with me because I want to test out a couple of foundations. I kind of want y'all to be there with me. We're going to test them, review them, wear them all day. We're going to half of the foundation with a brush, half of the foundation with a beauty blender, and see what happens. I want to test out those foundations. I really do. So if there's a video layering on this, don't worry about it. You know, I'm just running my mouth, and this is basically a test, but I will be trying to film in this area right here from now on, at least temporarily, until I do find my own house. And like I said, there is a really fun video that I want to get done. But anyways, guys, again, there's always going to be something around me. There's always going to be my cat and everything that is just getting in the way, and I'm going to have to... There's probably going to be an ass of editing, let me tell you. But for right now, we're going to work it the way that we can. So this eye look that I've done is a copper and a gold eye. And it actually has 3 different colors on the lid, or 3 different shimmers on the lid. I was really going for that tricolor shimmer lid, and I think it turned out really well. So if y'all want to follow along with it, if you can see it that well, hopefully when I go to edit this video, everything is fine and dandy. It just goes smoothly, and from now on, I'll be like in this area, at least for now. Anyways, instead of running my mouth through the whole video, I'm just going to go ahead and do a voiceover. So let's go ahead and get in it. Hey guys, I hope everybody's doing well today, and I'm just going to be running my mouth because I show what products that I'm using in this. So this is kind of like a get ready with me, but it's just like a test video. I'm trying to figure out where I need to be, and I think the video where I was sitting down talking on the bed, I think that's the best spot to do it because you could see better. So we're going to change up again. But anyways, guys, now this eye look, it is a triple threat. It's got 3 shimmers on the lid, and I thought it turned out absolutely gorgeous. And I did want to get y'all a video out though, so that's what I've done. I've done a simple eye look. Now again, I tell you in the video that I've got this really exciting video coming up. Especially for me, it's really exciting because it's going to be a really funny video. It's going to be fun to film, fun to do, and I cannot wait to do it. I just need something positive going on around me right now. So I'm going to try to make sure everything stays positive. That way, more positive stuff will be attracted to me. Or at least that's what I think in my mind. And, you know, there's so many YouTube videos that I've been watching lately to try to keep my positivity up and try to keep my hopes going. You know, I watch a lot of Raw Beauty Christie. I watch a lot of Samantha Ravindall. They are just some awesome people. I also watch a lot of Pamela Ebert, and I also watch Uma's Home. I'm going to link their 2 channels down below. You need to go check them out. I mean, it'll just put a smile on your face to watch their channel. Any of their videos, they're just really beautiful, lovely women, and I just cannot wait for y'all to see them. I mean, you really do need to check them out. Like I said, I'm going to link them below. But again, I'm trying to keep stuff positive, and I know God don't give you more than you can handle, but I'm telling you, He's pushing it with me. He's really pushing it, but I'm going to stay positive. You know, something good hopefully comes out of this. I'm keeping my fingers crossed and everything that we get this house. I'm so ready to get in my own space and just, you know, not feel like I'm in everybody's way. And, you know, it's really just one of those things where you just got to be in your own space. I'm ready to do that. And again, I still have not got a hold of this woman, so I don't know how much I've got to come up with. I mean, I've heard some rumors on how much the rent was, but that ain't, that ain't 100% sure that that's what she's going to charge me. Their rent can change, or, stuff happens. So I'm just so ready to get a hold of this woman and talk to her. And so I know what I need to do. I know what I need to come up with. I know if it's available, when it's going to be available, and get my butt in gear, because I am just ready, guys. I'm so ready. But, oh, anyways, back to the eye look. So I did want to do this it's triple eyeshadow is what it is, but it goes from a very light champagne to a gold to a copper. And of course I add a matte dark color on the end of the eye. I always do that. But I really do love the way that this turned out. It reminds me of a eye that Jaclyn Hill used to do back in the day, and she used to do it all the time. But it was kind of like a gold into a copper, the same thing that this is doing. And I really did love this eye look. But the video that I am so excited to do, I'm hopefully going to get that out tomorrow. I'm ready to do it. I'm going to wake up early, try to get it filmed, while everybody's away from me, because that is my biggest problem, because there's cats running around me. There's a lot of editing going to be done in my videos until I could get into my own space. But other than that, we're going to do it, guys. I'm not going to let my channel go. I mean, this is something that I've been dreaming of for years, to have my own channel. And, I just love it. And I couldn't give y'all it for nothing. Y'all are my angels. Y'all are my best friends in the whole wide world. And I love filming videos with y'all, for y'all, everything. I mean, y'all are just truly, you don't know how much you guys mean to me. And especially to stick by my side through a time like this, when I've got crappy equipment, I'm filming my videos on a phone. I mean, it just means the world to me that y'all are here and that you're still watching my videos through this disaster. I'm telling you guys, you don't know how much it means to me, and I can't thank you enough. And, also the people that has donated, and the people that has shared my videos, that is also a big help. And I know a lot of y'all have been trying to get a hold of BoxyCharm and Ipsy to try to get them to help out, which I love y'all to death for that. And you know how these big companies are. They don't care about little people. It's something that they just kind of look over. So unless there's a big quantity of people that go to them complaining about it, yeah, they really don't pay attention to us small folks. So, but I do love y'all to death for trying. I mean, you've helped me out so much. This gold shade right here, guys, oh my gosh, it took my breath away. It really did. And not only that, but the copper, it blended into that copper like nobody's business. And then this is the champagne shade right here that I wanted to go on the inner part of the eye. It is absolutely gorgeous. Now, I don't know who sent me this palette. I got a name on the box. I had nobody email me and tell me that they were sending me this or anything. So all I have is a last name, and I don't know who it was that sent it to me, but I know you're watching, and thank you so much. I love this palette, and I didn't get this Boxy because I haven't gotten BoxyCharm for a few months now, just because, before Christmas, I had to come up with, I'd rather save my money for my boys and stuff during Christmas. So I haven't been subscribed to them, I think, since it was before November. I think it was way before November, because that's when I was trying to save up for Christmas. But I mean, I just couldn't believe how well this palette performed. Now, I did have a little bit of trouble with that dark burgundy shade. I mean, it just acted like it didn't want to build up. There wasn't a lot of pigment there. You would look at the color, you think there's a lot more pigment there than there really is. This one right here, matter of fact. But other than that, the palette is absolutely gorgeous. I couldn't believe how well it performed. You see my puppy in the background. They're a mess, guys. And oh my gosh, one of my puppies. Now, listen, I've got a pit bull, and she always hangs out over here at the neighbor's house anyways. So he calls her his dog. So she had a litter of puppies, and of course, there's only 2 left. She had 4. We gave 2 of them away. The little white and brown one, and I'm not sure if you've seen him at all during this video, she chewed up the only beauty blender that I have. Somebody sent me a beauty blender and she chewed it up, and oh my gosh, I was almost in tears. It was just the craziest thing. I looked over and she was chewing on something. I was looking for my beauty blender to blend out my foundation. I was like, well, where did I put that thing? And I looked and she had it in her mouth. And I couldn't believe it. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, I got a little one home today. He was sick. He had the sniffles, and his head was kind of warm, so I did keep him home. That's him in the background laying down. That's one reason I had to do a voiceover, so that I wouldn't really bug him. I wouldn't have to be talking or anything in the background. So hopefully I get him better, get him back in school tomorrow. But I have really, really enjoyed all this makeup that everybody has sent me. It is just a beautiful thing to watch the community come together to help somebody out just like me. I mean, really, guys, I don't deserve y'all at all. I'm telling you, but I have enjoyed it. Like I said, makeup is like therapy to me. So it's something for me to just, do my makeup, sit down, do my makeup, and it's just like all the problems go away. And I don't know, I know that sounds pretty stupid because it's just makeup, but I guess everybody's got their own therapeutic whatever that they do, whether it be meditation or running, exercising, everybody's got their own thing. And makeup's always been one of those things for me. This liner, oh my gosh, I could not believe how good this worked. Now, I did go a little bit crazy in it, not really on the wing part, but where it's over the lid. I did go a little bit crazy. If I can control it a little bit better, I believe this would be the perfect liner. I mean, I just fell in love with this. I mean, you wouldn't believe that little ball in there. I mean, I could see the concept of it, but I just thought this was going to be just the worst thing ever, and it was going to be everywhere, or that thing would come off. But this liner is actually really good. I really enjoyed using this, and especially on that inner corner, it was super easy to use. I really enjoyed this liner, and I do have a couple of more I want to test out, but and also, I forgot to tell you the foundations that I'm going to be testing out. Like I said, we're going to do an all-day wear test on them. We're going to test them out and see which way is better to apply them, whether it be with a sponge or a brush or whatever. So I'm really going to enjoy doing that because that's going to keep my mind busy all day, give me something to do. But this is just, I'm so ready to get back in the videos, guys. And like I said, I just don't deserve some of you. I mean, some of you are just amazing. I have the best online family. And I'm so ready to do this video. Like I said, I'm going to try to wake up early and try to get that out for y'all tomorrow. I think it's going to be just too cute. It's really going to be really fun to film because it's just going to be kind of like a parody, but it's going to be really good. I could already feel it. I love doing videos like this. Every once in a while, I love to put up a funny video or something because you know what? They always say laughter is the best medicine. And I tend to believe some of that. I really do. Because like I said, I've always been a positive person. I don't like, looking at the negative in anything. My situation, what's going on. It's kind of hard to find anything positive in that. But what I found positive in that is finding out about my online family. Like, I've got to know a lot of y'all. I keep in touch with most of you through emails, and it's just, it brought us closer together, really. And that's the way I look at it. I mean, there's always going to be a positive. It don't matter what situation it is. And like I said, God's never going to give you more than you can handle. Like I said, now, I did say he's pushing it. Y'all know I was just joking about that because it is a gift. There are gifts that he gives us every day. These are luxuries. Makeup is a luxury. I have come to learn that, being in my situation right now, everything like food is needed, a roof over your head is needed, and there's a few essentials that you're going to need throughout the day. And this other stuff, guys, is just something, it's a luxury. It really is. It's really not needed. When I ran out of that house,
I wasn't thinking, oh my gosh, grab my makeup. You know, it was make sure everybody in my family's out, make sure my animals are out. So, really, this stuff is just extra stuff, and you should thank God for everything that you have. I thank God I get up, and I thank God every day for anything that I have. I thank God for the food we eat, for having a roof over our head right now. You know, we could have been sleeping in a box that night, but thank God our neighbor took us in. I mean, you just wouldn't believe the kindness.
And I just stepped outside to finish off this voiceover right here. I'm sure y'all can hear the rain because it is like pounding down out here. It went from snowing to rain today, but at least it's up in like the 50s, so it has warmed up. I mean, it has been really, really cold. But this is about the end of the look. And I mean, I just couldn't be happier with it. It's a beautiful look, a tricolor look. And it's, like I said, it's an old school Jaclyn Hill look. And, you know, I learned most of my stuff from, but she was one of the main ones I learned them from. And like I said, Raw Beauty Christie, Samantha Ravendall, they have taught me a lot in the last few years. And again, like I said, Pamela and Maritza, their channels are going to be linked below. They are beautiful ladies, and they have got the funnest videos. I mean, they will just keep you entertained for a while. So that's it, guys. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one.